Hello, hello. I'm Steve Reinharz, CEO of Artificial Intelligence Technology Solutions, trading on the OTC Pinks for now as AITX. This is our weekly video update. Like, subscribe, share, comment, whatever you like. Help get the word out of the good work that we're doing. And we're doing some very, very, very good work. We're doing work that benefits society beyond the financial, benefits that investors and team members get and will get and will continue to get. So I'm going to share a little bit why and how that is. But today, really, what we're going to go through is four things relatively quickly: some sales, some tech, talk about the fire alarm detection program, and talk a little bit about the stock. So those are the four things we're going to get through. And on the sales side, of course, hey, we had the biggest sales week, DSI coming through, 50 units, fantastic. Mark and Corey did an incredible job. I am looking forward to our greatest sales month to date. And I'm telling you right now, I'm looking for 100 units under contract this month is what I'm looking for. Our guys on sales department, I think, watch this video so they know what's up. We have a path to it, and everybody is trying to work towards that because that's a big, big, big deal. So anyway, so we're focused on that. Will we hit it? I don't know. It's one of those things. Only time will tell. But we're working on it. Let's hope that we do it. We have a big, 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 big dealer rolling us out in a sincere and significant way to their 80 line level salespeople. In a sincere and significant way. I'm super crazy excited about it, right? Crazy. It's a huge deal. And that might be one of the meatiest points on the video today. Anyway, that's great, right? That client will be, it's an existing dealer, but they'll be, it'll be public because it'll be so big. And you guys will see it, and I know you'll all love it. It's a huge deal. It's a big, big, big deal for us. I was at a healthcare facility in the South for a couple days this week. And I did about 5-6 presentations, I don't know, to 60 people over a day and a half. And the way that Rad Light My Way connected with line level staff was amazing. They love it. They love it. They want it. I think we may have our first significant healthcare deployment in the next 3 weeks. Maybe. Again, it's all verbals. It's sales. People say stuff. You got to get through it. But we had everybody out there, CEO, COO, Director of Operations, everybody loving it. They called us. So I hope that gets the ball rolling on healthcare for us. And it kind of already did because the group that brought us in to that healthcare organization, after they saw the reactions from the end users and the clients, they were like, hey, we got to get you here, 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 and here, right? Which is great momentum. And we're doing good work, right? Because we're helping safety and security of staff members in healthcare and other industries. We're protecting people and property. Hopefully our firearm detection will help, in a situation like that as well. I should be sharing firearm detection information this week. I should be sharing information on our closed event on June 30th in New York City this week. And I may have a big tech announcement this week. I don't know yet. But on the tech side, Rio's coming along really well. Tom, we sold a couple Toms or whatever in the last couple of weeks, and people are like, what's Tom? What's Tom? And I keep saying, listen, Tom, it's not Rio, and it's not a big deal. It's just, it doesn't move the needle that much financially. It gets people into the play, and it's cool. Tom Plus, which I haven't released yet, is cooler. Anyway, when I say that we spend much more than 50% of our burn on R&D, we expect great things and great results, and that's what we're getting. And I think maybe if we do a tech announcement this week, I think it might be big. But who knows? You know me. Everything's cautioned. I go on these videos. I talk a little bit about what happened, a little bit about what could happen, give you a little bit of insight into kind of, my role. And I think that's a relationship we have. I'm gonna share what's on my mind. This isn't a presentation. This is a review and a discussion to some extent. And talking about review and discussion, we're gonna close up with stock comments. And I think it's apparent to everybody that we are in historically bad stock market times, right? Like epically bad times. And you know that I reject this idea of increasing interest rates to control inflation. I think it's just dumb. It's archaic. And it's going to hurt hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of working class and middle wage earners in America as interest rates go up and mortgages get unaffordable and companies close down. There's nothing good about it. I don't want to get off on a rant, but it's dumb. It's just dumb. Okay. But I am saying that AITX is recession proof. And I am saying right now on this call, and folks like Brooklyn and, Frugal, guys that are watching it, think about this. Think about what's going to happen in the OTC. Think about companies that aren't as strong as ours, that don't have the same potential, that don't have the same immediate value to customers. Think about how investors are going to, maybe leave those tickers and come into ours. So what I'm seeing this moment of challenge as a moment of strength for AITX. As our community, which is consistent, you got, lots of communication, lots of progress, lots of, doing the right thing the right way every time. I see us gaining followers, gaining investors, gaining attention as we do all these things. So despite the fact that I cringe at, the inevitable fallout to a lot of families over these next year or so, I am excited and encouraged to welcome investors to our group, to what we're doing, as they look for as they have a flight towards, tickers that are more communicative, have more steady progress and so forth, and some of the other tickers that people roll the dice on. That's all I got today, everybody. No trading on Monday. So have a great Monday. If you're a full-time trader, day trader, taking Monday off, enjoy it. Hit me on Twitter, see me on Discord, YouTube, wherever. You guys know how to find me. I hope you have a great weekend. Stay cool. Thank you very much.